Hello everyone, I am Medha Patel from second year ENTC and I'm your host for today's program. So welcome everybody to RoboClub Induction Program 2021. I see we have a lot of participants here today. It's definitely been a tough year with the pandemic, but I hope you all are doing great, right in the safety of your houses. Now I am sure you're curious about what is RoboClub and what we do. You can see the agenda of today's event on your screens. My fellow team members and I will tell you everything you need to know about this club and the upcoming event, followed by a short talk by our esteemed members. And not to forget, we have a Q&A session after. Keep your doubts ready. What is RoboClub? Well, RoboClub is an organization in engineering colleges whose members use their theoretical knowledge to build actual robots. Now, a robot is a machine that can replace human effort. That means it can do the things that we humans can. Sounds fascinating, right? Fortunately, our college has a RoboClub. So sit tight, everybody, and let's get introduced to RoboClub Mesco.
Hello guys, my name is Param Tatia and I am from second year computer department. Talking about the history of RoboClub, RoboClub Mesco was established in 2006. Under this club, students from every department come together and solve real life problems by making bots. As we solve real life problems, it helps us to improve our practical knowledge and expose us to technologies in various fields. Other than solving real life problems, many activities are also conducted to have fun. Moving forward to the aim of our Robo Club is to think creatively and implement the theoretical knowledge in practical. Through workshop and various events, we help them to develop their fundamental in technical as well as non-technical skills and motivate them to participate in various events to boost their confidence. Moving forward to the events,
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Thakur. I am in second year NTC. All of you must be excited to know the activities and events of RoboClub. Your wait is finally over. First is the in-house workshop. These are the workshops that are conducted within the club itself, where we will teach you how to build small-scale robots like line follower robot, soccer robot, etc. from scratch. So basically, we will cover everything in it, the mechanical, electronic, and the computer aspects of it. So any person having zero knowledge can still attend the workshop. Second, we have the external workshop. In this workshop, we call external experts to teach some advanced robot. For example, drone building workshop, self-balancing robot workshop, and much more. Sounds fun, right? Next, our club conducts various intra-college competitions. The students are given time to make suitable modifications in the robots that was taught in workshop. And then on that basis, we conduct the competition. So we equip you with the knowledge and then encourage you to bring out your best ideas. This competition will help you to boost your confidence and urge you to think creatively. Due to COVID scenario, this year we have planned an online competition where in will you can participate for this competition either individually or in groups. The best idea will be chosen as the first project of this year's RoboClub. These are pictures of some of the robot competition conducted in our college. We have the Robo Sumo, Robo Soccer, Robo Race, the Line Follower, and the Pick and Place robot. Wow, it feels great when you build your first robot and then go for a competition with them. Even better if you win. The research projects are the large scale projects that take over 3 to 4 months for completion. Trending topics such as wall climbing robots, gait imitating robots, etc. are taken up for research through these projects. Now, talking about individual projects. Let's say you have an idea related to robots and you want to work on it. You can discuss it with the club members and seek their help. Outsource projects. There are several companies facing problems for which they need real-time robotics solutions. The club takes up these projects to work on, and in return, these companies provide us internship letters. Another very interesting activity included in RoboClub is RoboCon. For those of you who don't know what RoboCon is, it is an international robotics competition. Teams all over Asia participate in this competition. Every year, one Asian country gives a problem statement according to their culture. All the teams have to build robots to perform the mentioned task. These robots are bigger, heavier, more advanced, and perform more tasks than the other robots that we usually build in RoboClub. For RoboCon, team members are recruited through tests and interviews. These are robots which were built in previous years. Now that we know the activities in RoboClub, eventually we look for benefits. Now moving forward to benefits.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aarti Thakur from second year ENTC and I've been in RoboClub since a year now. Before participating in any activity, we should be well aware of the benefits of it. And so I'll be putting down the benefits of RoboClub for you. Now, as we know that at this point in our lives, knowledge related to any field is provided through online platforms. But here in RoboClub, we have made special arrangements so that you get hands-on experience on various exciting projects. Just to elaborate this a bit, for the upcoming workshop, we are planning to provide you the necessary kits at the comfort of your home. Isn't that exciting? Further in the session, you will get more details about it. Coming to the second point, you will get an opportunity to understand and learn new technologies that are in demand in industries. Just for an example, when I was new last year, तब मुझे hardly कुछ knowledge थी regarding other fields. But now, I at least know the fundamentals of all the three fields. That is computer, mechanical, and of course ENTC, that is my own department. Also, most of the knowledge that we get in classrooms is limited to books. And अब तो हमारे practicals भी virtually होते हैं. RoboClub is the place where you can put that theoretical knowledge into practice. The next point says that you will get an opportunity to work on industrial technologies. Now you all must be wondering, how is this possible? And here come in picture are industrial projects. By working on practical statements from industries, you can keep yourselves updated with the trends in technology. Along with industrial projects, we also support and encourage individual projects. In case you have some project idea that you're willing to work on, you can discuss it with the team members and they will help you in all possible ways. This is going to help you to polish your abilities to think out of the box and create something innovative. अब ये तो सारी टेक्निकल चीज़ें हो गई, लेकिन ये यहाँ तक ही लिमिटेड नहीं है. Along with technical skills, you also develop non-technical skills by managing, organizing, and marketing various activities and events, and appreciably many more such skills. Furthermore, you will learn how to work in teams. Team factor is a Teamwork is a factor that helps you to develop your overall personality. This is something that you won't learn in classrooms and books. If you get used to working with team at your graduation level itself, you will be confident when you will deal with teams in industries and MNCs in your future. Many a times हम बोल तो काफ़ी अच्छा लेते हैं. But along with this, we should also learn to be good listeners and respect other person's opinion. I'm sure you will cultivate all these soft skills being in the Robo Club. From this year, we are starting a new activity that is outsourced projects. Through these outsourced projects that happen in the club, you may get an opportunity to internship in robotics. Not everyone gets this chance, and therefore, this is one of the most important benefit of being in the Robo Club. Coming to the perks of our Robo Club, of course, we'll be providing you certificates of participation in various activities that will boost up your resumes. And who doesn't want that, right? As I said, you have a chance of getting certified internships. Until this year, we have several posts in the Robo Club. But this year, we have decided to give special designations based on your performances, and that will be explained during your workshops. So, guys, don't miss on it, okay? Furthermore, you will be also getting some exciting goodies like t shirts, badges, etc. So you can look cool in front of other students, if you know what I mean. Finally, but most importantly, the ones who perform actively in RoboClub activities are given first preference for RoboCon recruitment. And guys, RoboCon international level का competition होता है. So being a part of RoboCon is in itself an esteemed thing. And last में, I'd like to conclude by saying engineering is all about exploring different fields. अब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि पढ़ो मत, पढ़ो, ज़रूर पढ़ो, बट सिर्फ पढ़ो ही मत. Participate in various activities, clubs, events, etc. इनमें पार्टिसिपेट करने से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा, आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होगी, आपको क्लियर आइडिया होगा कि आपको फ्यूचर में क्या करना है एंड क्या नहीं करना है. So thank you for listening to me. And further, I would like to hand over to Medha, our host of the day. Thank you.
Well, my friends here did a really good job. All points explained precisely, and I think now you know very well what RoboClub is about. Now you have faculty coordinators on your screen. Professor Priyanka Bagul ma'am from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. We have Professor Mane from Department of Mechanical and Professor Khonde from Department of Computers. We have Yash Soni as the president and Kunal Desada as vice president. We have Gagan Lokhande, Sagar Pandit, and Sakshi Chaudhary as chairman, and Harshvardhan Singh, Deepak Boy, and Atharva Jagade as vice chairman. Medha Patil, myself, documentation head, and Bhakti Wadikar as social media head, Aarti Thakur as treasurer. We have Karan Bagh, Priyanka Salunke, and Nikita Golgavle as marketing heads. Here comes the important part. How to join RoboClub. RoboClub is open to all branches. You only have to join the RoboClub WhatsApp group through this link. You'll find the link spammed in the chat box. Now, we have the president of RoboClub, Yash Soni from 3rd year mechanical department, and the vice president of RoboClub, Kunal Desada from 3rd year electronics and telecommunication department. Both of them have been a part of the club for 2 years. They will inform you about the upcoming event.
Good afternoon, everyone. Every year, we conduct an in-house workshop wherein we teach students some of the basic concepts of building a robot used in industrial applications. In this situation, where everything is getting virtual, we are providing an online workshop with hands-on experience. I know you might be wondering, this workshop would be like every other boring webinar. But no, my friends, believe me, this is going to be the most exciting experience among all the other online learning sessions you ever had. So let's see what you will be learning in this workshop. Introduction. Many of you might have seen or heard about self-driving cars like Tesla, which uses autopilot as their most promising features. One of the basic part of this feature is obstacle detection. And this is what you will be learning in this year's workshop. Sound interesting, right? Well, we will be teaching you to build an obstacle detection robot, which will be an autonomous robot, meaning it will be performing all its tasks by itself once it is powered. The rest of the details will be regarding the workshop will be shared by Vice President Kunal Desarda. Over to you, Kunal.
Thank you so much, Yash. Hello, everyone. And as promised, we told you that this particular workshop which we are going to hold is not going to be any boring webinar or something. So let's open the secret. So for this workshop, we are planning that the necessary kit, whatever robot we are teaching you how to build it, the necessary kit we are going to give it to you, send it to you via courier. So basically, yes, we are going to give, yeah, this is an opportunity where you can physically build something, not just like a boring webinar where you listen for 2 hours and then you forget everything. Nothing like that. So let's understand the roadmap. First of all, the first part, this roadmap is given for how to build a robot. The first part is understanding the components and Arduino. Now, this Arduino is the microcontroller which we will be using for our robot, and it will be explained in great detail in the workshop. So, even if you're just interested in electronics and stuff, I'll recommend that you should attend the workshop. Second thing is the manufacturing of the robot. Any robot or any idea to be in the reality, you need to know, you need to have the knowledge how to manufacture it, how it should be in the physical world, working world. So that will be the second step. Third step is the circuit diagrams and the connections. You need, like, your body has a mechanical structure, but if you don't have veins, it can't work, right? So similarly, you need to know how the veins of the machines work. Then the next part is understanding the algorithm and mathematics. And fourth and fifth point, the coding point, is more or less the same. So it combines the computers part of it. Now we have all the structure ready, but we need to give it some instructions. We need to give it a brain how to work. And that will be done via coding. And also this is going to be covered. And the last part is the testing or prototyping, where you will test whatever physically, whatever robot you have built, we will be testing it. Okay. So the workshop is being planned to be held on 27th and 28th March. It is going to be a 2-day workshop. Again, I'd like to mention this point that if join the WhatsApp group, all the time related details and time and date related details will be given over there, as our exams can pop up at any time. Hence, I'm telling you that these dates are tentative. It's going to be a 2-day workshop. The registration link will be shared today itself, and the last day to register is 20th of March. All right. Sorry. Platform is going to be Microsoft Teams. So basically, I guess you guys have understood that the kit will be provided via courier to you at home, and then we online through online platform we'll teach you. Okay, so how do I register for the workshop? It's very easy. First, just join the WhatsApp group. The link has been shared in the chat box. Then you'll get the registration Google form link there. You have to fill in the form, and after that you have to make the online payment. Yes, this workshop is paid, but don't worry, the payment is only for the kit whatever you are purchasing. And also we'll be adding courier charges in it if you stay far away. Now, thank you so much for listening to me. Now I'd like to hand it over to Medha.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you, Kunal. Among us today, we have Professor Priyanka Bagal. She is the Assistant Professor of the Electronics and Telecommunication Department at MESCO. She has a teaching experience of 12 years and has been teaching in MESCO for 8 years now. She has completed her master's in a specialization in embedded system and is currently pursuing her PhD. She is also the activity coordinator for RoboClub MESCO. She has guided and supported this club with every step. We believe that with her support, the club has and will reach great heights. Without any more delay, I request Professor Priyanka Bagul to share a few words with us.
Thank you very much, Medha. I hope I am audible clearly. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, as students, welcome to RoboClub. and I hope you all will join this Robo Club, and will you'll have exciting experience being part of this club. Definitely, as rightly said by the president and vice president of the club, that club is now upgrading and is we are planning to provide you more and more opportunities in the interdisciplinary field, and we are, yes, tying up with few industries for getting the interdisciplinary projects for which you will get an opportunity to work upon. And as you rightly see, that this particular club is entirely managed by the students and for the students. So being a faculty member as a faculty coordinator for this club, my job role is to provide all the facilities what you need to explore your dimensions. So yes, welcome to club, and be ready for more and more exciting events. All the best, and thank you. Over to you, Medha.
Thank you, ma'am. We are extremely grateful for your contribution to RoboClub. I remember when I was a part of the last year's workshop. It was definitely a great experience. You can see for yourself. Nolan Bushnell once said, I just want the future to happen faster. I can't imagine the future without robots. And I couldn't agree more. With this, we come to the end of this program. But before we do, I request those of you who can switch on your cameras for a group picture. Is everybody ready?
I think not. Not everyone has switched on their camera.
Okay, we have taken the pictures, so we can move forward. Also, I urge you all to register and attend the workshop. It will be conducted on the 27th and 28th of March. Lastly, do follow our Robocon team, Team Anonymous, on these social media platforms. You can see the information on your screen. Thank you all for attending this program, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the workshop.